Oh, let's go. We got old snipping tool. Like a couple of things, like this one here, the system icon, I thought that was different. We got Windows Media Player. We got, oh, that's awesome. I love this. I love Windows Media Player. Hello everyone and welcome to not Windows 10. That's right, this is not Windows 10. Now, this straight off the bat, this video is about a project that basically reverts all of the visual changes of Windows 11, but keeps the under the hood improvements and just makes the OS look like Windows 10. So we're going to say I don't have a product key here. And this is just the usual setup. And let's install Windows 11, apparently. We'll be back. Okay, so you can see some of the scripts that run there in command prompt to move some files around. And you can see it has now replaced the Windows 11 boot image with the Windows 10 one, which is lovely. And it automatically makes us an account with the Windows 11 sort of theme applied, but we'll see. You can also see the little loading icon as Windows 10. So we will say, no, we don't want any of this. Can we skip past this? Or, yes, we can. Excellent, excellent. Okay, so we've got a README on the desktop. Let me just make it a little bit bigger for you. We'll make this 22. Thank you for downloading Revert SV. This thing took almost 3 months to make. Was built among all of these people. Notification management's broken, notifications may not work, inability to boot outside of test mode, and you cannot use this with secure boot. So yes, this is courtesy of Lag Life, the YouTube channel Lag Life. That channel has a playlist of Revert SV videos that I'll put down below. But let's keep looking here. So this is, for all intents and purposes, this is actually Windows 11, but you wouldn't know it just by looking. You can see the little clues here, like you can see the settings icon is the old one. This is apparently something that's been changed in the newest release, which I haven't seen yet, hasn't been released yet. And you can see that when you open up the settings app, it does show the Windows 11 settings menu for just a little while. So if we go ahead and run WinVer, which everybody would probably want us to do. Whoops, we can see that it is Microsoft Windows version 21H2, and it says that it's Windows 10 Pro, but I don't believe it is. If we look at Edge, I wonder what version of Edge this is. So just confirm. Oh, go away. It's got Copilot in Edge, so it can't be that old. About 131, yeah, that is quite new. So, and it may have just updated automatically. Now we can see some of the apps that it comes with are interesting here. You get Microsoft Teams Personal. As we saw, we get the old version of Notepad without tabs and everything like that. We don't have Tabbed Explorer either. We just have the old school one. There's no tabs or anything there. Do we get Paint? Yes, we get the old school version of Paint. Oh, let's go! We got old snipping tool! Let's go! We got Windows Media Player. We got... Oh, that's awesome. I love this. I love Windows Media Player. Irrationally so. Now, I apologize if this looks not the smoothest here, but this is just to do with the fact that if you install VMware Tools, it has a display issue, and I can't really be bothered with that. I believe it actually does just change resolution, which, you could fix pretty easy, but I don't care. So you can see we've also got normal right click. We don't have the stupid options where it's got, nothing really there unless you click on the expansion thing. What happens if we go to this PC properties? Yeah, it says it's Windows 10 Pro. I don't think it's activated. I wonder actually if we try and activate this, I wonder what it will say. That's interesting. So the activation tool here says this is Windows 10 Pro, which is interesting. Okay, well, it says it's activated, so let's see. Yeah, okay, great. So we can see that pretty much everything is Windows 10ified. Some of the fonts are a little bit off, like you can see this font here is not quite Windows 10. But, I mean, hey, this is pretty good. This is pretty good. So I will try and get VMware Tools installed, and then we'll have another look after it reboots. Alright, well, I haven't bothered rebooting because we've got our display drivers installed. Oh, and everything looks great now. So that... Do you mind? Alarms and clock needs an update. Gah. Imagine telling a Windows XP user you would need updates for a clock app for it to work. Can we use the calculator? Yes. Can we use the calendar? Oh, right. No, it's email based. That's fine. That's fine. Can we read the news? No, because it wants to update. Can we access Groove Music? That's old school. I don't think that's actually used anymore, is it? Groove is just about ready. Nice, nice. I don't know what the actual... I think it's just movies and TV, or films and TV, isn't it? I don't even know. I don't even know. I don't use Microsoft bundle shovelware rubbish. So anyway, if we go back into the settings, we can see that most of this here looks exactly like Windows 10. Actually, it's pretty bang on. They've done everything really good. It says it's Windows 10 Pro. Windows security works. They've done all of this without seeming to sacrifice on the actual functionality. Although you will notice that Windows is running in test mode if you look in the bottom corner of the screen. So that might affect some apps running that may make things play up a little bit. Here you go. This is one other tiny thing. If you go to the Windows Insider program, you can see that it says join the Insider program to get preview builds of Windows 11 and provide feedback to help make Windows better. Now, if you were to do this on a Windows 10 system, I believe it does say Windows 10, not Windows 11. All of this looks pretty good to me. I can't spot any other differences, can you? Let me know in the comments if you see anything that jumps out at you. Maybe some of these icons, like... Hold on. Let me open this up on my machine here. Yeah, so you can see that there are like a couple of things, like this one here. The system icon, I thought that was different. And it is. So you've got like a little laptop there. Well, an older school laptop, whereas, you know, this one's got that. But, I mean, I don't know. It looks pretty close. Oh yeah, you've got slightly different icons for accounts. Gaming says Xbox. Accessibility is now accessibility instead of ease of access. Just little changes with the icons. But nothing crazy. Nothing that... I don't think the average user would notice that. But this thing does report that it's Windows 10. So any program that you try and run, if it's doing a compatibility check for Windows 11, it is not going to work. You just need to know that. It is not going to work. It is going to say that you're running on Windows 10 Pro. So you can't really roll this one into the future to try and get app compatibility in the event that whatever app you're trying to run doesn't work on Windows 10 anymore. You can't use this. It's going to say it's Windows 10. But anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. Again, this was uploaded to YouTube anyway, this whole project by Laglife. So I'll put the playlist in the description below, and I'll also put the archive.org link in the description below. Apologize, been no videos. I actually have pertussis or whooping cough, so having to take breaks between talking because I just burst out coughing. I'm on my antibiotics, should be okay, but just means I can't record, and I've been very tired, so no videos. But thank you very much for watching. Hope you had a good Christmas or whatever you celebrate. Hope you're having a good end of the year. Hopefully you're getting some time off your work or your studies. And I hope you enjoy your time with your families and hope you have a great one. See you next time.